Abusia ha attention TV so we are kwaba ede ebaso ensema etwego e social media so and then me de beso mo e attention TV so ni na ene Kofi Adoma wani enche bia odi ni birthday a okopo ne heart e wo Angel TV Angel FM so a ende enkofu bebre e ka ho asem na we ane kamya koyese nsem o kan ya nse woni wawini bia koda ene oni wawini bia akotwempana aware first wife and no be ware na ire miracle ya woni wo honum no we ana fata no ho say we obekọ na YouTube channel no so then they were call live mama obia abasubi na kire say ye mu nkiremu no de abesom Ghana for na we ana na wo kiremu akira and wo kirem say na na yire miracle so etiecha wo no so etie bi edru ba bi na phone in abem a efri na yire miracle akiremu akira say baby Kofi Adoma mbachonya wo ye ne jai kra mempesa like ene miracle yen kan se command now so they say or your papa and your tiny connection there o ka Kofi Adoma won ani say enchiremu na wo chiremu no onim say e yo no nti ono miracle enti na Kofi Adoma won ani afato no ho say wo so churchill nsem mu magana forte ase na wonja ensem a enimu ni na wo ka no miracle e kasa bebebe mu Kofi Adoma at the end listen to his wife yenko the yenko tie embassy.
I was carried to an extent, but nsem a me kan ye no I don't regret. Why? Ghana any a train Emma obi wu and san ya kanema pa waye. We wait till somebody is dead and sana niema why ya we need to appreciate ne be kama ni pane hu no ya train mani wu wie and san ya kan. So I decided say no, what Mrs. Miracle Adoma has done, I won't sit down and wait till we and I say ye near asasi so I know so benyi achepa because ye benyi aba akokra ye team be white, that is a prophecy. Ye be bo akokra pa and sana ye be kwa yako. I won't wait till that time we be kind. I will tell her what she has done because me can share say birthday celebration me a bush boy e kurasini I'm not a fan of such celebrations no say no. Let me celebrate you. Let me say Debbie. Enti one ebi mo na planning ye. I was not aware. Me hwe ya na we studio ho. Obey that celebration. So me dream one me say na oba be ni. De maye ni nyina. All that I have done against her. Product every mo abade e nyame nhehye I gladly accept it. And whatever antina me can say Medim kwasi asembi, I am not glorifying what I did. Say the me ye no eye. Say me ye way, many oba we nye me ye. Me way I am not saying. So who say obi aka say oh me na me ye kurasi ni pa it tells you say we free kurase ho abankran. Enti na watumi anya that boldness or can say oh me na me ye kurasi ni o. O te kurase ho a o feel comfortable e we kurase ho. So it is difficult to talk about a kurase ho. Enti onka me kurasi ni o debi. So for me to come out and talk about my past, akoye so sofo a no she wi no ba bontin aka say me na me she wi. It doesn't mean say na ni gi wi na no she no ho. He has moved on from that stage. Osofo a ye di ne dem enam boni bia na odi at that time. No dey show bi nkran na say oka. That was the state and I'm I am never glorifying my acts, me too one among that time. Probably that is what I felt to say na woho. And I have said it countless times. Say I had a polygamous intention. I mean can say bin show. E wi ase aye wo mi. Say ensukom dew. Na ye ma unsuo kakra nom. Na ensukom no kɔ. Na nsukom san di ubio ni ya ma wonsu anom ni ye brɛ fanta onom a nsukom no nkɔ you will still be looking for water obenum coke nsukom no nkɔ ye be ma club beer nsukom no nkɔ until you get that water again and drink it wonum wi a you will realize say I don't need fanta, I don't need coke, I will need it only if I really want to. As a once a while Christmas bi na manu. But in sukom na de me nti dia mehwehwe ye nsuo. I met Mrs. Miracle Adoma in those days. That was my first love. I can say Bema Adoba. Though the circumstances lead you to whatever, and I'm so my kofa bridge betom in any papantem no makadada, so I don't want to repeat some of those things. A kofa by ensu anamenom no ye twisi nchen. So in my quest, I am not saying Fanta is wrong. Fanta menka say nye. Sprite menka say nye. Menom Fanta because na me hear Fanta. Menom Fanta wie me hu say enum ya ne beku me sukom. Me konum Coke. Menom Coke no. I am personifying me yeah, I'm not me ni obi atem, I'm not denigrating anybody so be a Fanta no be a Coke. But I'm telling you say Fanta yeah, Coke yeah, Sprite yeah, all of them yeah, they look like water but they are not water. So I twisted all those ones. Finally everything is settled. I get back to the water I took and I decide say this is me and this is my truth. This is the water that has kept me all this while. With me tietiem, and so still, no appear a fina guinchain. No what tia babegu educrum, no masia sanum. No masia tietiem across. No jeffin or na sia cross me, ever foam quinus or conaho. No masia cotton, no masia sanum. No man no monsieur na finally met Nancy say, ah, in suya ya deal. Said the metietiemu pa cross over and over and over. Egu so ema me su kom no eko. Meden so yas ne ma yinsu yaye. Me hunu fom so amaye ewom. It doesn't mean say mani ji say na metietie nsuo no mu no. I have never said that. Mrs. Miracle Adoma has been my wife since after utie me narration ewo Angel FM me kan ye. Sa bra na me ne na wo abofra na di mfie mienu ene bosome me I'm not too good in dates. But o hwa abosome be miensa enan ho. E na oba afoforo ba makwan. Oba no. One thing led to the other. And ye fire ho ye die. Nyinsan pie mu. Nyinsan pie mu no. The first thing I make can say, oh, one time there, me my boys that because I can oh me know that once pe. It's like no me know nanyem. That time I don't know where I got the courage. And I'm a miracle susu ho. Asem o kan ye say me Miracle Adoma me your only daughter. Na senka me father e will become me ho and me mother will become me ho and I will be happy say me wan nuanom. E bia na wo ba me ne ne wey will be your only child. So obi aba no say woni wonyema. Don't say anything. Me ba ibenya nua e woni mu. Enti do the right thing. Ko hu na busuafo ne koda wo ho adi. Na amamre kwan so de esa wo ye bia ne ye. I did that. On the mama that guidance. E che no che me say ne nana e na de say futu ne ma no. She has done that. As I said, I won't mention names because enkra wom one here story ni bi wo ho a e ya na me miamia so because obeka no be wie no na waja how e de ama obi.
It was Attention TV so na University Foundation and as much na me jumide ebe somo e Attention TV so number N05483029885 ya ka o ye that.